Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about Vivo Y53s phone setting step by step, one by one guys. We will talk about all setting. So in this video guys, I will show you how can you check IMEI number in Vivo Y53s phone. So let's see how to check IMEI number in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching for the first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting. After you guys click on about phone setting, this last one guys, you can see about phone, click here and guys click on status setting. Then guys you can check your IMEI number in Vivo Y15 as phone, Y53 as phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to check IMEI number in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.